How to turn on or turn off auto switch to better Wi-Fi networks with intelligent Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on this three dot icon and click on Intelligent Wi-Fi. After click on Intelligent Wi-Fi, so you will see switch to better Wi-Fi network is here. If you want to turn off switch to better Wi-Fi networks, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see switch to better network Wi-Fi network is turned off. If you want to turn on switch to better Wi-Fi network, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see switch to better Wi-Fi network is turned on. You will turn on or turn off switch to better Wi-Fi networks from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto switch to better Wi-Fi networks with intelligent Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.